Hello, this is Missey Grace from Zen of Vegetarian Food. In the past 5 videos, I've talked about how to set your mindset when you start transforming your lifestyle, whether it's for the health reason or weight loss, or you just want to cook some really nice, simple, easy vegetarian meal at home to share with your loved ones, or just for you. That's fine. If you haven't actually caught up with them, at the end of this video, you will see the list and just go through them again. So from today, I'd like to just starting to talk to you about how to do the preparation and organize yourself better to start your journey. So first of all, we will need to organize your pantry or the cupboards in your kitchen. See what you already have. Say for example, we will need some really basics and staples other than the fresh veggie and fruit in your fridge or your bench top. What we need to have is some sort of rice, pasta, flour, spices, and some tinned food. Don't be afraid of that, because those tinned foods, they are prepared and they are selected from the vineyard or orchard or the farms when they are fresh, and they processed it into the tin form, and that will keep for a certain time for you to use. Same thing with the snap frozen food, such as the frozen peas and the corns and that sort of things. They are being prepared at their prime time. So when they're snap frozen, they are really ready to go. So if you need to do it, you can put them into your cooking really quick and easy. Now the staples, we're going to talk about the things that you will use time and time again. So let's just go through your cupboards, have a look at what you already have, and then we will think about what you will need in the new recipes that you're going to cook from now on, and then just build up from then on. Let's see how we go, shall we? Okay, so just go through the list that I have here. If you haven't gone through the first 5 videos, just have a look at that again, and then we will start from what I'm talking about, how to get organized and prepared. Until such time, be well, be happy.